Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. So today we'll discuss about important tips and instructions for ICSE Semester 1 examination November 2021. These instructions are especially for mathematics. So I got few calls in couple of days regarding the time and rough work and how to attempt the question, etc. So one good thing which has come to us, you all must have got the news that you will be getting reading time. By this time, you must have got the call from your school to collect your hall tickets. So you have to remember your unique ID and index number. So now, when we talk about reading time, so suppose your exam is starting at 11 o'clock, so 10:50 to 11 will be your reading time, which will be dedicated only for reading. So what I would like to guide you, if you follow me, please read section C, where 4 mark questions are there because they are interconnected. So it will consume more time. So if read the question and you can start doing from there because you are not writing the answers, because this time you will be getting answer paper come answer booklet, question paper come answer booklet. So in that question paper itself you will be given the sheets to do your rough work, and you will be just writing the correct answer. So here what I suggest you, so read the questions but don't read the answers because it is time consuming again. You will start solving them because we are tempted, when we know the answer, what is the correct answer. So what I suggest you, you start from section C where you have 4 mark questions, they are interconnected. If you can read them thoroughly, you can start attempting them first, because other sections A and B are isolated, they are not interconnected. Now when this 10 minutes reading time is very important, where you can read the questions thoroughly, and I suggest you to read section C. Now, answer you should write in the space. Suppose you have been given A, B, C, D, 4 options for every question. There are no 5 options. There are only 4 options, small letter A, B, C, D. So whichever is correct, don't tick over there. You have to write. There is written answer. Suppose question 10, A, B, C, D. So you have to write answer C, answer B, D, whichever is the correct. So examiner will be correcting that. Now, in rough, you don't be so organized. Don't write the answer in organized way. Let us assume that, and then as per the given condition, don't waste your energy in that. You are given rough sheets just to do calculations. I also suggest you to do rough work because at times children forget the table 12 8s. They write anything. So you just multiply in rough and then you select the answer. If you see the answer before only, then you're tempted. They are called your distractors, as I have given in my previous videos. Now, answer space is given to you. Please utilize that space only to write the answer. Don't write anywhere else. Moreover, avoid overwriting. C, D. So examiner, don't write in A and D together. So examiner will feel it may be A, it may be D. Don't be over smart. If it is overwriting, then it will may not be considered. And don't write 2 answers like A and B, A or B. That will also be not be marked. Okay, it will not be evaluated. So make a note, you have to write only one answer. Pick up only one correct answer. Now, if you feel that answer is wrong, so don't get worried. You just it out, strike out and write other answer. Suppose you have written C, simply cross it with one line and write D, and but in clear way. So examiner may understand that it is cancelled and the child has written, the student has written D. Now these 4 options are given. So if you write 2 options, you will not be marked. So you write only one correct answer. Rough work you can do on rough sheet just for your satisfaction, and rough sheets are attached, so don't expect extra sheets. You have to do within that, especially in the calculation subjects like physics and mathematics and others. They will give you more sheets, they may give you more sheets. So don't expect extra sheets because you have to submit them. You cannot carry out your question papers, so make a note, everything you have to hand over to the invigilators. You can't take it out. Now while studying, you can plan like 3 chapters nowadays because time is very less. You all are prepared, I know. So you can plan like in sequence GST, banking in equation. GST, what you have to remember only, GST is divided into two equal parts, CGST and SGST. If GST rate is given 18%, CGST will be 9%. So this just you have to remember over there. When you come in banking, remember the formula. Remember time in month. Especially if you write in year, you will be marked wrong. You will get 0 mark because there will be one answer which is based on year. So time is given 3 year. So one answer may be based on 3 year time, but the correct answer will be based on month. When we come in equation, you remember the correct answer. Natural number starts from 1, whole number starts from 0, integers from negative side, and your real number or irrational cannot be written in roster form or listing method. So these small tips, I have already given you the tips before also, and you can make 3 sets. GST, banking, and linear equation in one part, you can finish in a day. Second day, you can devote for quadratic remainder theorem or matrices. Quadratic theorem, uh, when roots are given equal, such question may come to b square minus 4ac is 0. Or you can directly write b square is 4ac and solve it quickly. Don't do all the steps. Don't write like let and all formula. You can directly substitute because here your correct answer will be checked. When we come in remainder factor theorem, so your factor is given, then equal to 0, and all I'm not going to teach you. Then you can make one proportion AP and your similarity one option. Similarity, very small, only proving that two triangles similar. Most probably your similarity may come in 4 marks, and word problem of quadratic may come 4 marks, or arithmetic sequence, but there's no guarantee. But these are expected chapters for 4 marks, but any chapter may come in 4 marks. I hope it helps you, and all the best. May God bless you. Take care and stay blessed.